Yeah, but enjoy. Enjoy.
Walking tour outside Berlin Cathedral in Berlin, Germany. Berlin Cathedral, Germany. Berlin-Brandenburg, also known as the Evangelical Supreme Parish and Collegiate Church, is a monumental German Protestant church and dynastic tomb, House of Hohenzollern, at the Lustgarten on the Museum Island in central Berlin, having its origins as a castle chapel for Berlin Palace. Several structures have served to house a church since the 15th century. The present collegiate church was built from 1894 to 1905 by order of Emperor William II, according to plans by Julius Raschdorf in Renaissance and Baroque Revival styles. Berlin is the capital and largest city of Germany, with a population of approximately 3.7 million within city limits and over 6 million in its metropolitan area. A global center for culture, politics, media, and science, it is renowned for its diverse architecture, vibrant nightlife, and rich, complex history, spanning from its 13th century origins to its role as the heart of modern Europe. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Chodź, Adaś. Adaś.
Can you please forward just 1 meter forward?
Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.